Hey guys, what's going on? Today I have a awesome fidget spinner review today. Right, I don't want to show you them just yet. So, you see this fidget spinner here? This is the size of a normal one. I lost the bearing the size, so don't worry about that. This is a normal size one. This is a medium sized one. So this one spins quite well. This is a medium sized one. That's just a random normal one. And then, this is the smallest smallest fidget spinner on Earth. Ready? Boom, boom, boom! Look at this compared to my hand. Look at that. Look at that. That's not photoshopped either. Look at this. Wait, photoshopped? What's it called? Clickbait. Look at this. This is so tiny and it spins as well. Really good. Can you see this? And it comes with an orange one as well. It's so tiny. This is so tiny. See if the camera can pick it up. Yeah. And it can nearly fit in the holes on this one. So yeah, I got this at the workshop. So what happened was there's this place in town called Pebble Planet, and they make you free fidget spinners. If you go up to the counter and you ask for a fidget spinner, they'll make it for you. And I asked for an extra small one, and they made me one. And then I had to go back in the car to get this. And do you know how much this cost me to get done? It cost me £29. It's quite nice though, isn't it? Like, you can make two of them. Like that. And then spin it. That's quite cool. So this is the comparison, look. Tiny thing. Tiny little thing there. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.